The next task is to install WordPress. For this we use a temporary directory. Linux has one inbuilt which is /temp and short for temporary. To get started, change into this directory with cd /temp. Next we will use the Linux curl command to download the latest WordPress install archive. The syntax is curl -o then the URL. The URL is always the same for the latest WordPress version, so I've just pasted it in this case. Press enter and it will download the archive into the temp directory. Now you need to extract the archive using the tar command. This is accomplished with tar xzvf space file name. Press enter and the WordPress archive will be extracted into a directory called WordPress. If you list the directory with the ls command, you'll see all the WordPress files below. Next we need to use the Linux touch command to create a local Apache 2 web server configuration file called .hta access. This is accomplished with touch /temp /wordpress /.hta access. Press enter when you are ready. Now we need to set the permissions for the new file with chmod 660 and the name of the file. Then we need to copy the sample configuration that came with WordPress to the WordPress configuration file. That's quite a long command, so I've just pasted it in. Now we need to create an upgrade directory so WordPress can upgrade itself and has somewhere to store the upgrade files. We do this with make directory mkdir then the name of the directory. Finally, we need to copy the configured WordPress files into the Apache 2 web server directory where files are served from. This is /var www /html. We need to also set the correct ownership permissions for the new web server directory so Apache 2 can access it. I've just pasted the command in. The command is chown space -r space ww -data ww -data space and then the name of the directory. Now clear the screen. We now need to get some random values for the WordPress configuration file w-config.php. The command to do that is based on curl again, and the URL is part of the WordPress API. I've just pasted it in here, and you will see the return values are displayed on the screen that we need to use. Now if you highlight these values, and select copy all to clipboard, we can paste them into Note. Now we can use Vim to edit the w-config.php file to add the new data. Scroll down and replace the shown lines with the data which we copied from the console. Now we need to add the MySQL database access information. This consists of the database name, the database user and the database password. The database was called WordPress DB. The user was WordPress user. And the password I used was W123. Last of all, we need to add one line at the bottom of the w-config.php file. I've just pasted in the line, and basically the line allows WordPress to access the file system as needed directly. Press escape : WQ to exit and save.